We finished up that country Dodge Charger. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of FrankNCarrie's Homestead. Scale model building. Well, we finished up that country Charger. Let's talk about it before I show you. The review on it is it has some issues. One thing I found is the detail seemed okay. There was a lot of cleanup on the model. Another problem I ran into was on the headers to the engine. Well, you mount the headers, you mount it into the body, and it won't fit. They've actually made the headers about 3 times bigger than what they should have been, so they don't fit in between the frames. So that's another problem. That's a problem that is a major problem. Other than that, there wasn't a lot of problems with it. It don't have what scale it is on the box. I'd put it down to a level scale 2, but it turned out okay, but I wasn't happy with it. But anyway, here's some pictures of it and a little video of it. That's what I got to say on that, and I'll see you after the pictures and the little video. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, I wasn't too happy with it the way it turned out, but that's the way it goes sometimes. So anyway, let's talk about the next build. We're going to do the iced tea, but it won't look like this. So we'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, you'll smile all week, guaranteed. Here's some suggested videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.